Hey guys, this is great. I've been waiting for 2 months to get to this. And here it is. This is the Fairy Flower Fairy Sedan. Now, this is from MU Models. I got this. This looks to be great. Really detailed. And doesn't even tell you what it is. It's all in Chinese, of course. But the interpretation, the Fairy Flower Fairy Sedan. Whew, red and gold. And I'm looking forward to this. Let's open the box. Open it up. Here it is. So we've got the instructions. Sometimes these are, no, they're not taped in. This one, nice little tray, they usually come in. And here it is. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Open this up. Oh! We've got one mini piece down here. And then we've got 2 sheets. So, and the detail down here, oops, is absolutely tremendous. I'll give you some close-ups on that in a minute. But you've got red, you've got gold. Oh, look at this. A full picture. Really looks to be a geisha lady. So I'm going to take these over. The detail on these is absolutely incredible. So in fact, I'm going to keep them inside the coverings just for the moment. Give you a close look. But the detail on here is amazing. Nice heavy duty stuff. I'm going to make a photocopy of this section down here. Then what I like to do is I like to check off each piece that I go as I go through the instructions. You know, and the only way to do these is you've got to go methodically all the way across, top to bottom, whatever it is. Follow them one picture at a time, and then I check off each piece to make sure I got it all. Now sometimes they do give you a couple of extras, pieces of the small pieces that can get lost. Alright, I'm going to get down real low here, and we've completed step 10 out of 31 in this instruction program. It's not that difficult, but the instructions aren't the best. A little confusing to say the least. But I think we've managed to get it done so far. Still got a ways to go, of course, but we've done like the central little chariot place, the sitting area. We've got the little bits in the front down here, the arms. And we've got a long way to go. But I thought I'd just give you a little bit of an update on what we've got. It looks incredible so far. The actual coloration on this is absolutely out of this world. It's beautiful. Very detailed. So I'll get you a couple of close-up shots of what we've got so far. And then we'll proceed to the next 10 or so steps. Catch you soon, okay? Well, here it is. The Fairy Flower Fairy Sedan, red and gold. Beautiful. Remember the box? Really awesome. There it is. And here's the finished model. Wow, was it intricate. And all these little bits and pieces. Amazing. And this little roof down here, which apparently seems to be designed to come on and off. It showed it had a few batteries in the instructions, but there was no light kit in there. And I actually decided not to put lights inside. I think it's going to be a lot better to have a light above it, on the shelf above, shining down, reflecting everything. Because there's very little light that would actually show through from the inside. But I'm really fascinated about this. The intricacies, oh my goodness. Trying to get these waves here done properly. Took me a while to get the first one. I've been the right way, then the wrong way. It's like, oh god. After you've done the first one, the rest were pretty easy. But all these little bits and pieces, you had to build it in sections. We built this first central section down here, then we built the little chariot arms, and then we built the chair, and then we attached the bits and pieces to the chair and the floral extra bits and pieces down there. And quality of model, not that difficult, not that fiddly, just a couple of minor, one or two minor pieces. If anything, the instructions were a little difficult to figure out which was going to be the right end here, which was going to be the back end there. So I made a couple of mistakes along the way, but that doesn't matter. The final result is very impressive. I mean, the color etching on this, you know, is absolutely amazing. It's going to be great. It's going to go in my Oriental shelf, and I'm going to put an LED light on the top shining down, put it on the shelf above, just so it shines down on this, which I think will be pretty cool. So I'm looking forward to that, and now I've done this one, I can get on and do the next one. The U1 tower, that's this thing, I don't know if it's in focus or not, that's huge. And then this puppy, I don't even know what it's called because the name's not on there, I don't think. No, I have to look it up. But it's, I know it was classified as expert level only. And look at all these intricate details down here. And this is the biggest art model I've ever got. Look at it, it's huge. The only tricky thing, as I said, is making sure you can go step by step on the instructions. It took me a couple of days to put this thing together. As I said, not overly difficult except for the curves, trying to get them right. But other than that, the result really good, really good.